independence to all Nigerians. Happy independence to you all. Anywhere una dey, America, London, anywhere, Europe, anywhere, Nigeria. I dey wish all Nigerians happy independence. Happy 61. But for real, abeg wait o. Wetin we dey celebrate for this independence? Wetin we dey celebrate? We dey celebrate the failure. We dey celebrate the killing. We dey celebrate the rapist. Or we dey celebrate the ordinary light Nigerians no get for at the age of 61. Roads Nigeria no get at the age of 61. What are we celebrating? Wetin we dey really dey celebrate? Now this one we dey celebrate. I come across this video, tears wan comot for my eye. For the people wey dey die every day for accident. On a normal accident, not supposed to dey kill people like that, but because of the bad road, Nigeria dey get accident on daily basis. Road no dey, food no dey, water no dey. People don sing. When African Shana sing this music, Nigeria never was rich like this. Nigeria never was rich this place, this moment when we dey so. But when they sing and say food no dey, but the time when they take sing and they still dey see food they eat, they still dey see road they pass. But now the worst. Now you go see the pikin of 12 years. They go promise and say if you bring the head of your friend, if you bring human head, they'll give you 20,000 naira. Small children don't sabi negotiate for money. So wetin we dey really dey celebrate? The failure of this government. Now we wan celebrate. Wetin we wan really celebrate for this independence? Make we use this independence to tell Buhari, abeg, make e go. It still remain 1 year plus, but the people go still die for that period of 1 year plus when he go still sit down there. No be small. Buhari, you be promise us to give us good life and everything, but you no fit. Leave us alone and go. Leave us, make we go, because you declare today as independence public holiday. Wetin you want make we dey celebrate? Make we dey celebrate una failure? Make we dey celebrate your failure? Make we dey celebrate the bandits wey dey ravage Nigeria every day? Make we dey celebrate the tipper wey dey take dey pack dead bodies for Nigeria every blessed day? Make we dey celebrate the cow wey dey go inside our farm, eat everything wey we plant for better tomorrow? Na those ones now we wan celebrate. So I don't really know wetin we dey celebrate. I don't know why you go tell person say happy independence, because independence supposed to be say we dey remember say let's remember when we take independence. Come reach where we don dey now, see I say improvement dey. But when we take independence, Nigeria be still good. But for now, Nigeria don finish. Nigeria don finish. Nigeria don finish. I don't really know where Nigeria dey go for this condition. I don't know how we want to survive for Nigeria for this condition. Because when these bandits, when these unknown gunmen kill common man like us, they no dey hear am. They no dey hear am. But as they kill somebody, wey be say it matter small for Nigeria now, you see all the governor of this place now don't come outside. They say you don't badge o, you don't pledge 20 million naira for anybody wey go fit lead them to the arrest of the people wey kill this late woman for NAFDAC, that her husband. People see people wey they feel linked to them, people wey kill am, wey assassinate the man, they'll give the 20 million. But if na common man for street, na they kill, they no go pledge anything to cash the people where they commit this crime. They no go send because tanto you no matter for anything. But as a touch person wey be say e matter now they don pledge 20 million naira for you to know say these people they are just there to waste our money. When they pledge 20 million for Nnamdi Kanu head, they cash am. 100 million, I mean to say. When they play 100 million for a head, say if they fit cash am 100 million before 2 weeks, Nnamdi Kanu don surface. They don hold am. Now, as they play 20 million now for the people wey kill this man now, before how many days now you go hear say they don cash them. But now people they don dey kill. People now they don dey kill for how long? For God know how long now wey they don dey kill people for Nigeria. From Benin to Awuchi road now, they no fit go. I watch the news, tears wan comot from my eye. I no fit do anything. Road no good. People go load tipper, they go dey push am. Who does that? Those things dey only dey happen for Nigeria. Nobody pledge for anything. But when they touch somebody wey matter, they go come outside, they go talk. So now let Africa people, most especially these Nigeria people, let me they prepare their mind to show say these people they are not our friend. They are not our friend. They go only come to you when they need your voting. But when they don't get that vote, they don't know you. Now there you go see governor of Imo State. If they go Anambra State, he go use flights, he go use helicopter. He go use helicopter because he knows that the road no good. Let's calculate the cost of fly. To fly for Nigeria, let's calculate how much. But these people, instead of them to use this money to better our life, instead of them to use this money to make Nigeria okay, they prefer to waste the money for their own selfish interest. They don't care if you die or you live. Let us wake up now. And I must still remind us, this one is still month of end SARS. Remember small ago become 1 year when they massacre people for Lekki toll gates. Until date, Nigeria government never give us any reasonable thing. Say okay, this one and the thing will happen. This one and how many people they kill for there in a day. So I want to use this beginning to wish the people where we say they massacre for Lekki toll gates, may their soul continue to rest in perfect peace. And those people will kill these people, they will this blood will continue to cry for their neck day and night. They will never have peace until justice they serve for these people where they massacre for this thing. So make I leave this video small and I just they watch and say make una see wetin we dey happen, wetin we want celebrate, wetin Buhari say make we sit down for house and celebrate. Now be this one. So make we watch am. Drop your comments. What do we really need to celebrate for Nigeria? What do we they celebrate at the age of 61? Because they say a fool at 14 is a fool forever. Nigeria don't pass 14. So Nigeria don't become fool forever. So I don't know whether we need to celebrate, whether Nigeria still there to even celebrate at all. Some people they feel say Nigeria still there. Some people feel say Nigeria not there again. So we could have finished the video. Drop your comments. Let me know what you want to celebrate for our Nigeria. Thank you all for watching. If you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to Philo Channel TV. And if you don't watch this video from my Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you. Share, comment, like. In fact, do anything you want to do with the channel and not get problem. So far now, waiting go favor me. Thank you all guys for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. For now, bye bye. You reap what you sow. Surely one day for what you did you pay. You reap what you sow. Surely one day for what you did you pay. You reap what you sow. Surely one day for what you did you pay. You reap what you sow.
suck. Surely one day, for what you did, you pay. You reap what you sow. Surely one day, for what you did, you pay. You reap what you sow. Surely one day, for what you did, you pay. You reap what you sow. Surely one day, for what you did, you pay. You reap what you sow. Surely one day, for what you did, you pay. You reap what you sow. Surely one day, for what you did, you pay. You reap what you sow. Surely one day, for what you did, you pay. You reap what you sow.